Gmail's rolling out new improvements? You know I gotta check this out.
Usually when I make a webcast, I make it about something that I've already experienced, that I know something about. But last night I read about new updates for Gmail, and I can't wait to see it, and I want to explore it together with you. So let's see. The first thing that we do is we click on the settings, and it says, try the new Gmail. Let's do it. Welcome. I wonder what the difference is. Default, comfortable, compact. I'm not going to like compact. I think I'm going to choose the default because it looks like it shows what kind of attachments are there. Okay, so all of a sudden these things popped up on the side. So I see that my calendar is now integrated. Ooh, Colbo, our little shop is going to open up soon. Better get this done quickly. I see what I'm doing here. Cool. Okay. Keep. Oh, I love it. I love using Keep, and I love that it can now be integrated together with Gmail. So let's say, oh, Compose looks different also. Okay, what else do we have here? We have all of the, oh, Snoozed. Hang on. I have an email here that, let's say, I've always used mark as unread if I want to get back to it. Where's the snooze thing? So when you hover over each email, you can either archive it, delete it, mark it as read or unread, or snooze. Snooze has been what I've loved about Inbox. That's the only thing that I've loved about Gmail Inbox on my phone. But we never had this option in the Gmail, so this is fantastic. You can snooze it to read either next weekend, tomorrow, whatever, or you can pick your own time and date for when you want to read it. Let's say I want to read it today, but I won't have time until 8 p.m. Right, so that's going to pop up at 8 p.m. tonight. Wow! I love it already. Apparently it's also going to be more secure, but I haven't figured that out yet. Let's see, I want to compose an email. And from what I heard, there's supposed to be an expiration date. This might not be in my Gmail yet, but it's coming soon. So an expiration date means that you're going to be able to send it, and if it's not read by a certain date, it's just going to disappear. From what I understand, it's also going to let you unsend an email, and apparently you're going to be able to get a read receipts, which means that you'll be able to know if somebody's read your email or not, according to how you send it. But I don't have that yet. I'll be keeping my eyes peeled for it right down here. So this is exciting, and I'm sure it's going to make using email even more convenient. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe. Gotta go to the call ball. Click the button. Digitally yours.